Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel Culinary Classics. Today I'll teach you how to make the most tasty fried chicken but with the Indian way. And in this video I'll tell you also how to make it crunchy and how to fry it, and at the same time the mixture will not go out of the chicken and fail in the oil. So continue the video to see how we'll make it and know all the secrets, but after the intro break. Here I have the chicken and I cut it into small pieces, and I will use all the parts in it because you can use any part from the chicken. It will be very tasty and crunchy in this recipe. I will add in them 2 spoons of yogurt and ground ginger, ground garlic. And the spices that I will need them are salt, cumin, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and curry, paprika, hot pepper, and turmeric, dry coriander, and I will add them on the chicken. And here after I stir them, I'll cover them with the foil paper and enter them in the fridge for the long time. I can keep them, so it will be very tasty. You can keep it for the long time, you can keep it in the fridge. And here after I take it from the fridge, I will add on it 2 spoons of starch and I will stir them very well. And I will tell you the thing that the starch will help us in making this fried chicken. It will help us in when we are going to fry the chicken. The starch will help the mixture to stir in the chicken until we finish frying it, and the mixture will not fail in the oil. And here I stirred the chicken very well with the starch. Now I will fry it, and you can see how I will fry it. And here to fry it I have boiling oil, and this oil is very hot. I will add the chicken on it, and if the chicken piece is very small, you can leave it 5 minutes on the left face and 5 minutes on the right face. If the chicken piece is big, you can leave it 7 minutes on the left face and 7 minutes on the right face. And if the chicken take the 5 minutes on the right face, now I will flip it to take 5 minutes on the left face. And if this is the first time for you to see my videos or to see my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, share the video for all your friends and family. And here I fried the first amount of the chicken, 5 minutes on the left face and 5 minutes on the right face. Now I will take them out of the oil and I will add another amount of the chicken. And while you finish the video and you have any difficulty, you can write it in the comments and I will answer you in the same day. And here I removed the first amount. I will add the second amount and I will fry it with the same way that I fried the first amount, with 5 minutes on the right face and 5 minutes on the left face. And here I will fry the other amount of the chicken and I will come back to you with the result. And here the result, we have the fried chicken with the Indian way. So now don't forget to try it, and if you try it with the same method that I show in the video, it will be very crunchy and tasty. And also wait me tomorrow in a video on how to make the Indian lentil. Now don't forget to subscribe, like, share the video for all your friends and family. Bye, see you in the next video.